I don't want to live like this more than I have to. It's been really hard.
Oh, all week long, we have shared stories from people just frustrated by the vaccine rollout changes. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Aya Galal spoke with a woman who has underlying health conditions and is disappointed she will now have to wait longer for a shot.
I really miss people. I spent Christmas alone. I spent Thanksgiving alone. And this is what I've done to keep myself safe during the pandemic.
Jen Winham has had cystic fibrosis since birth. Having the genetic disease means she's at higher risk of having serious complications from COVID-19.
It affects primarily the lungs. And that's why since March 9th, 2020, I have been living in complete isolation.
Jen doesn't go to other people's homes. She has her groceries delivered.
I haven't hugged my mother, father, or my stepson, Mitchell, in almost a year.
And so she was devastated when she heard the governor announce major changes to the state's vaccine rollout plan. Initially, as someone with a chronic condition, she was going to be next in line to receive the vaccine. But with the state's age-based rollout, Jen, who's 41, won't be eligible until April 12th.
It means that it's that much longer until I can spend time with other people. It means more months of loneliness.
But the governor is defending his plan.
Age is still a pretty key determinant in terms of risk. Age is a key determinant in terms of risk of fatalities, complications, hospitalizations, all the thing we're desperately trying to avoid.
He says the list of chronic conditions the CDC suggested was too broad and that healthcare providers were concerned about that leading to delays, a move many people with chronic health conditions are speaking out against.
The governor's decision is incredibly lazy. We pay taxes that pay his salary for him to do the complicated work of figuring things out like this.
Jen says she feels like she did everything right and hopes she's able to get vaccinated soon so she can reunite with loved ones.
I stayed home, I masked up, I did everything I could to keep myself safe, and having to wait longer just feels like such a slap in the face.
Starting Monday, vaccine eligibility opens up for teachers, childcare providers, and those above the age of 55. Aya Galal, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.